Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. In today's video, we'll be working here on a Dodge Journey, which is Fiat Freemont in the rest of the world. So if you have one of the two vehicles, the video will be helpful to you guys, and we'll show in today's video where to find and how to replace the fuse for the rear window defroster. If your rear window defroster does not work, okay, let me show you here quick. We'll show you where to find the fuse. Now we have extremely dark tint, but you can see this is your window defroster, okay, those lines. So stay with us guys, and we're going to go ahead and show you where to find that fuse. It's located actually inside the vehicle. Okay, it's inside the vehicle on the passenger side. You will notice that our glove box is missing. We removed it so we can gain a little bit more room and be able to fit underneath, so we can show you where things are now. So if you come under the glove box on the right side, there is a cap here with a fuse box. Okay, this is a fuse box. We already removed the cap in our case like that. Okay, and we need to locate fuse number 116. Okay, 116. So let's go ahead and see now where 116 is located. Okay, you can see this is the rear window defroster. So this fuse, guys, actually, okay, is a very special fuse. Okay, this fuse right here. You can check it out. We'll have all the fuses listed in the description of the video below, and see where we buy our replacement parts from. But this is the fuse. So if you need to, if yours doesn't work, okay, check this fuse. Hopefully guys, the video will be helpful to some of you. You will have a fuse puller in the fuse box right there. Okay, so all we have to do is just grab it and pull it straight out, later replace it with a new one. If that doesn't work, it could be a relay, and we'll have a video about relays as well. So please check that one out guys. Thank you for watching. Hopefully guys the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.